Hello YouTube, welcome back to another exciting episode of Linkus to Bushcraft. My name is Jacob Linkus. Today I want to do a video on Bushcraft for under $50. And a lot of people think, oh, I need the high-end gear. No. And if you're first getting started out, go with the basics. I mean, there's certain brands, you just can't go wrong with. Like, for example, a Mora knife is a phenomenal first knife. This is a Mora Companion HD. Super comfortable in the hand. It's not a full tang. I believe these are rat tangs. But, I mean, you can't go wrong with the Mora. They'll never let you down. And you guys see my super fast Piranha review. You can get these for about 20 bucks at any Lowe's. I think Menards carries them now too. Super easy to find though. And I actually picked up this axe about 2 weeks ago, and it's an Ozark Trail. And I'm not sure if Ozark Trail is orange and black, but there's another brand, I think it's called Fiskar, but they have a very similar to this. But this was only $15. And if you can't tell, I'm still getting over my sickness. I had a strep throat for a few weeks. But I did put this on a sharpener. They come fairly sharp, but not as sharp as I'd like it to be. But for 15 bucks, I mean, so far this thing, I got a chance to use it a bunch in the last few weeks, but it seems to be really nice for the money at least. And don't get me wrong, I mean, axes, you can spend up, a few $100 and get you a really nice axe. But this for $15, I mean, why not? So you got Ozark Trail axe, your Piranha folding saw, and your Mora HD. And normally these go for about 20. I've seen them go for about 15. So that's why also I'm saying the video is $50 and less. But I want to show you guys real quick a one stick fire using all of these tools. Super fast. Now I'm going to go ahead and process this down a little bit. I'm telling you what, guys, I am truly amazed with this saw. The same goes with this axe. 15 bucks. I mean, I'm just truly blown back. The quality of it. Got it on a knot, doesn't want to break it. There you go, just split the whole thing. Now, for the price mark, you can also get, and these are actually a little cheaper, the companion. This one's in stainless steel. I actually picked this one up about 4 years ago, maybe 3, but I think I got it for about 12 bucks, $11, $12. And then also the robust, you can get for about 12 to 15 bucks. So either way, any one of these more knives, you can't go wrong with. I'll show you the HD one. One second. Get a little bit of better view. I don't want to tell anybody out there that says that batoning is stupid. And this right here is why it's not stupid. I want to break this wood down in a small kindling. Start this one stick fire. And this, and don't get me wrong, you can do this. Oops. But it's just a little easier to do with a knife, in my opinion. Like I said, I've only had this thing for a few weeks and I'm pretty blown back. How good it's performing. But I haven't got to use it a bunch being sick. It feels really good. And the wedge on this thing, you can see that. This thing is built to split. So that's a perfect camp axe. And I'm definitely not the best at making feather sticks, but I try. Alright, that should be good. Transport it. It's funny, like I said, Chris Tanner did something on this on Prepare Mind 101. And you see inside this, I've had this thing for about a year now. I use it quite a few times. But they didn't used to allow me to have fires in my backyard, so I would use that to work on my fire making skills. Oops. This is fairly green pine, so it's not one to light as easy. Shower it real quick. Oh man. Since that's not working. Go the old faithful. Sheesh. Always like that. Spray off the alright. As you can see, one stick fire. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Like I said, your Karana razor tooth folding saw. Alright, 20 bucks. Ozark Trail Camp Axe, $15. Your Moore knife, ranges anywhere between 12 and this one, like I said, can get up to 20 bucks. But also what I like to do with these is wrap some paracord around this, put your fire starter in there, and then wrap it in tape. And then right there is a great little kit. And this, well, I've had it tied right, but you just wear it around your neck. So, alrighty guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. I'm going to try to figure out a way to speed this up, fast forward and whatnot. Sorry about how long it took me to get the fire started. But anyways, if you guys like it, hit the like button. Right next to their subscribe button. So if you guys want to check out any more of my videos, hit the subscribe. If you want to talk about any of the stuff I've mentioned in the videos, I'd be more than happy to talk to you. But besides that, you guys have a good night. God bless. Thank you for watching.